Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the new things, what is pycharm and why we need to download that pycharm and Python ideally into our PCs. So, what is first of all pycharm? Pycharm means what? Pycharm is a software which we can write our Python programs. And we need to download that pycharm into our PCs to write the Python programs. Before downloading the pycharm, it is very important to download Python IDLE into our laptop. What is Python IDLE? IDLE means what? IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. It is very important to download the Python IDLE into our PCs before downloading the pycharm. So let us see here step by step how we can download the Python IDLE into our laptops. And now just open the Chrome. In Chrome, press python.org, or I have given the link in the description also, which we can go through that it in a easy way. Or press in the Chrome python.org. In python.org we are having the second option, downloads. Go through that. In downloads we are having that Python 3.10.5 and press there, so that Python file will be downloaded in the left down corner. So after downloading it, just open it. So here we need to put one tick mark here, add Python 3.10 to the path. You need to put the tick mark there and then go through customize installation. Here we have installed, now also go through customize installation. There is nothing to do here, just next. And we need to update something here, that install for all users. You need to put the tick mark there. So put the tick mark there, and then there is nothing to do anything here, and then install. So our Python IDLE will be installed into our PCs. So this is the easy way which we can download the Python IDLE into our laptops. So just wait for the some time, it will be installed into your PCs. Just wait for the some time. After completion of the installation, so it will show us that setup was successful. So after the setup was successful, just close it, and then here go to the Windows here, and then press there IDLE. Here it will give us IDLE. Just open it. In that we can do anything like addition, multiplication, subtraction, and print. So let us wear one addition. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, and 3 into 4 is equals to 12, and 2 divided by 3. So we can do anything here like addition, multiplication, subtraction, so whatever you want. And we can also print. So we need to print in Python now. So for that we need to write print round brackets and then double quotes. Double quotes is very much important. Or double quotes or single quotes we need to write. We need to put there before writing anything in print. Dileep Programmer. So the programmer will be printed. And if you want to write anything, you can write there. So print hello world. So hello world will be printed there. So that's it for today, guys. So here we have downloaded Python IDLE into your PCs in an easy way. So we can do some of the programs here in an easy way, like additions, multiplications, like printing, and some of the programs which we can learn. And from after downloading the Python IDLE, you need to download the pycharm. So for downloading the pycharm, I will do the next video. So check the next video for downloading the pycharm. Thank you.